The error may stem from the scanner cable or the scanner itself, rather than indicating a significant printer malfunction. This distinction is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Despite the blinking indicators, the printer remains capable of executing printing tasks, demonstrating that it is not entirely non-functional. This resilience is advantageous for users relying on their device. Reconnecting the flex cable of the scanner could potentially resolve the error, underscoring the necessity of examining connections during troubleshooting. Proper maintenance ultimately enhances overall performance. It is essential to verify all connections prior to using a scanner to ensure optimal functionality. Loose cables frequently result in scanning errors and interruptions. The video underscores the importance of careful equipment handling during maintenance. Unexpected disconnections can negatively affect scanner performance. Regular inspections of the scanner for signs of wear or damage are recommended. This proactive strategy can significantly prevent future technical challenges. Understanding the meaning behind blinking lights on printers can reveal specific problems. Users should avoid jumping to conclusions and thoroughly check the power and ink indicators. Loose or damaged flex cables frequently contribute to printer malfunctions. Ensuring these connections are secure may help avert recurring printing issues. Routine maintenance and inspection of printer components can extend its operational life. Users ought to be proactive in evaluating cables and indicators post-maintenance.